What up, everybody? This is Sean, and we are back with another video, man. This time we are making 2 bracelets for my man Garth. He ordered 2 bracelets. He ordered a magnet mini pink and an original pink, so we're gonna get those knocked out for him today. Garth, I appreciate you, straight out of Maryland, you know, joining the Bear Army. So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoy these type of videos, man. I want to do more than just shorts. I probably just do some random talking and vlogging kind of stuff, really. But you know, I might ramble here and there just because, you know, whatever's on my mind I'll get into. But we here tonight. You interested in joining the Bear Army? Trust me, link is everywhere you need to be at. You know what I'm saying? BearArmsBracelets.com. And I'm gonna take care of it. Been in business for about to be 10 years. You know what I'm saying? About to be 10 years. I got it patented. Fun experience. A lot of interesting people I've met over the years. You know what I'm saying? With dealing with this. Speaking of, by the way, with Garth, he wanted nickel 9 for this one, for his original pink, and he wanted brass 22 long rifle for this one. So we're gonna get that situated. I think brass to be 22 is always easy to make. So we can knock that one out right now. And of course, I don't have my lighter. 1 second. Lighter. All right. Get this situated, man. And we golden. So real quick, why I got y'all time? You know what I'm saying? Why y'all here right now? We can have some conversations. We can discuss in the comments below or whatever. We're gonna keep everything cordial, keep everything respectful. That's the main thing. We just here to have a little fun, pass a little time, and just, you know, converse. I know y'all heard about the ATF ruling. The new ATF ruling. I ain't gonna say new, but it was struck down for the whole SBR thing. I wonder what they gonna do with people who actually registered their stuff and actually paid the tax stamp. I'm sure they gonna try to find some way to weasel out of that, but 22's in. We I didn't do mine. I should go get it. I think I might just start having like a couple of my actual firearms in videos. I mean, I buy a lot. I think I'm at 7 now, which is technically not a lot, but considering the other stuff I could have bought, you know, put my time into, I just like the firearms. My most recent one, I believe, is like H&K SLP. It's like the G36 clone that we can't get over here in the States. So it's the closest thing, and of course you can do conversions and stuff like that, but it costs a lot of money to do the conversions. So 22, look at that. Pink 22 Magnet Mini with brass 22 long rifles. So that's simple. All right, let's get to the meat and potatoes, which is the original. But yeah, man, like that, what I need to do, like I got an AR that I'm slowly building out. When I get a chance to, here and there, you know, when I decide to put money into certain stuff, you know, besides work, bracelets, YouTube. 1 second, I know the mic's gonna pick it up, so I might make this like a reoccurring thing of, I might overcast some music or like a little sound effect over what the drill goes. All right, so 1 second. Cool, that's it. But I might have to do it multiple times because I gotta do it twice. People may ask why. People may ask why I do that. You know, it's just because easier way to straighten the wire, goes in easier. Y'all would not understand how over the years I have perfected my craft in this. I used to, before I got to the drill, man, I look back and I'm like, how in the world was I actually getting these wires in here like they should? Yeah. And I still got my original first bracelet I ever made, and I don't even want to break that down. I already know a wire. I do know wires inside of it, but ooh, that was a tried and true time. That was crazy at that point. Hand was destroyed. So you got some nickel 9 right now. Nickel 9 going on this one. Pretty fire. I ain't gonna lie. Good. The combination offsets the pink real good. I got like over 300 colors. I'm still continually adding more and more. I'm probably gonna buy 10 more. I got paracord, and I have original nylon, and together it's like 300. I think I got like 105 originals, and probably I think like 60ish. I want to see 60 paracord, and there's so many colors. I want to get them all. So I told myself the rest of this year in 2024, I plan on getting every color cord that I possibly could find in every paracord. I know they're making new ones every day, but I will have them on the site because I want to be like the Card Max of paracord bracelets, bullet bracelets. You should be able to find anything your speed on my site, color wise. So get it bent. This is beautiful. Perfect, fantastic. 2 pinks. You got a Magnet Mini and the original brass with a nickel 9. Excuse me, nickel 9. Garth, appreciate you for joining the Bear Army. They are en route. And as always, man, if y'all interested in joining the Bear Army as well too and getting your own BearArms Bullet Bracelet, link will be in the description. I humbly appreciate you, and as always, continue to bear arms.